Are you facing any difficulty in finding the right replacement parts for your AMT pumps? We at Pump Products are happy to assist you in getting suitable replacement parts for your AMT pumps. We sell replacement parts such as flapper valves, pipe plugs, casing kits, adapter kits, and more for every pump model of the AMT pumps. Ergonomically designed, we have a full line of pump parts for your AMT pumps, including submersible water pumps, irrigation pumps, sewage pumps, grinder pumps, sump pumps, centrifugal pumps, booster pumps, well pumps, shallow well jet pumps, deep well jet pumps, convertible pumps, effluent pumps. The AMT pump parts and repair kits comprise jet pump parts, pump flanges, water pump parts, pump repair kits, stack kits, pump cartridges, single-phase or three-phase pump motors, pump impellers, mechanical seals, pump shafts, pump bearings, pump gaskets, pump wear rings, and pump rotating assemblies. Pump Products is a leading AMT Pumps online pump repair parts dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selection and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to AMT pumps and parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.